We need to be there by noon? Oh no, I thought the invitation said at 1 p.m. on Sunday. The quickest I'll be able to get there is in half an hour.
Hi Cambly learners, my name is Leah and welcome back to another YouTube session. Today we are going to be talking about the prepositions again in, on, at and by, but in this session with the relation to time. Remember in the last session we talked about how important context is, and so that's why it's important that we can use these prepositions both for position and time. So our first preposition is in, and we use this to talk about periods of time like seasons, months, years, etc. I was born in 1982. We will visit them in September. The ski resort is only open in the winter. We also use it for times of the day when we are not being specific. They left in the morning. I love to nap in the afternoon. We use in for talking about an amount of time needed to complete something, so a period of time. We need to complete the project in 2 weeks. You can drive around the whole city in an hour. It is also used to talk about the future. I will be there in half an hour. You can collect your passport in a week. The preposition on is used with dates, names of the days of the week, and special days. The interview is on the 10th of July. The party is on Sunday. Let's have a coffee on Friday morning. She was born on Valentine's Day. The preposition at is used to talk about specific times or points of time during the day. For example, like on a clock. The bus arrives at 5:30 p.m. The party starts at 1 p.m. We also use it for fixed expressions. For example, she is busy at the moment. Can I take a message? We arrived at the same time. And lastly, we use it during the day or talking about meal times. She doesn't like driving at night. Be careful. We use at night, but if we talk about the morning, afternoon, or evening, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Lastly, we use the preposition by for the end time of an activity, so no later than. The movie should be finished by 10 p.m. Please turn in your essay by Friday. Be careful. We do have some fixed expressions with these prepositions. For example, the teacher told them to arrive on time. Even though they overslept, they arrived just in time. In the first sentence, we are talking about being punctual. They need to be there at a specific time. In the second sentence, we are talking about not arriving late. Whew, they got there just in time, just before the specific time. Another expression that could be confusing: what are you doing on the weekend? What are you doing at the weekend? And here it depends on where you are in the world. The first sentence is more commonly used in American English, and the second one is more common for British English. So I really hope you enjoyed this lesson about prepositions again, in, on, at, and by, with relation to time. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, it's an amazing platform where you can practice your English speaking skills with many, many friendly tutors. It is easy to use and you can use it at any time of the day from your computer, your laptop, your phone, your tablet, any device. So until next time, have a great day.